If Gmail is showing the error that your connection is not private, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back into your account safely. This issue is usually caused by a wrong system date and time, a browser extension problem, or damaged cache and cookies. So before you panic, follow these simple steps and you should be able to fix it fast. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Let's get started. The first thing you want to check is your system date and time. This is one of the most common causes of privacy and security errors in Gmail. If your device clock is incorrect, your browser may think Gmail's certificate is expired or invalid, even when it is working perfectly. On Windows, open Settings, then go to Time and Language and click Date and Time. Here, make sure Set Time Automatically is turned on. If it is already on, turn it off and back on again to refresh the sync. You can also confirm that your time zone is correct because even a small mismatch can trigger this error. On a Mac, go to System Settings, then General, Date and Time. Turn on Set Date and Time automatically and make sure your time zone is correct as well. Once you've updated the date and time, go back to Gmail and refresh the page. If the error is still there, the next step is to disable browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, antivirus extensions, or security add-ons, can interfere with Gmail's secure connection. To check this, open your browser menu, usually the three dots in the top corner, then go to Extensions and click Manage Extensions. From there, turn off any extension that could be affecting the page, especially anything related to blocking scripts, cookies, or tracking protection. If you are not sure which one is causing the problem, disable them one by one and reload Gmail after each change. This helps you identify the exact extension that is breaking the connection. If Gmail loads normally after disabling an extension, you found the cause. You can keep that extension off for Gmail or remove it entirely if you don't need it. If that still doesn't solve the issue, the next thing to do is clear your browser cache. Over time, cached files can become outdated or corrupted, and that can prevent Gmail from loading securely. To clear the cache, open your browser menu again, go to Delete Browsing Data or Clear Browsing Data and look for cached images and files. Make sure that option is selected, then clear the data. After that, close the browser completely and open Gmail again. This gives your browser a fresh start and forces it to load the newest secure version of the website. If you still see the error, go back into Delete Browsing Data and this time clear your cookies and site data as well. Select Cookies and Other Site Data, then click Clear Data. Keep in mind that clearing cookies may sign you out of websites, so you may need to log back into Gmail and other accounts afterward. But this step is very effective because broken or outdated cookies can cause secure connection problems. After clearing cookies, reopen Gmail and check whether the error is gone. In many cases, one of these steps will fix it right away, but if not, you can repeat the process and make sure all browser settings are fully refreshed. Also, if you're using multiple browsers, try opening Gmail in a different one to see whether the issue is browser specific. That can help you confirm whether the problem is with your system or just one browser. To recap, the main fixes are checking your system date and time, disabling problematic extensions, clearing the cache, and then clearing cookies and site data. These steps solve most Gmail private connection errors without needing advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.